Ever wondered how you can earn money online without any initial investment? Let's explore a popular business model known as affiliate marketing. Imagine being a bridge, connecting consumers to products or services they need or desire. That's essentially what affiliate marketing is all about. You promote a company's product or service, and when someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. Simple, right? But why has it become so popular? Well, for one, it's a business model that requires no upfront financial investment, making it an attractive option for those with limited resources. You don't need to create a product or service, you simply leverage what's already available and earn from it. Now, let's talk about social media influencers. You've got a following, right? People who trust your judgment and value your opinions. This is a goldmine for affiliate marketing. You see, trust is a major currency in this business. If your followers trust you, they are more likely to purchase a product or service you recommend. And let's not forget the power of the digital age. With the internet, your reach is not limited to your immediate surroundings. You could be based in Lagos, Nairobi, or Johannesburg and reach consumers in London, New York, or Sydney. That's the beauty of online affiliate marketing. So whether you're a TikTok creator making people laugh, a YouTuber sharing your skills, or an Instagram influencer with a strong aesthetic, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative addition to your income streams. It's not just about making money, though. It's also about providing value to your followers, linking them to products or services that can improve their lives. But remember, like any business model, affiliate marketing requires dedication, patience, and strategic planning. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a viable business opportunity that can yield substantial returns if done right. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is and why it poses a golden opportunity, let's delve into how you can get started. Eager to jump into the affiliate marketing universe, here's your roadmap. First, let's break down the process of getting into affiliate marketing into simple, easy-to-follow steps. It's all about creating a pathway to success that's uniquely yours. But we'll hand you the blueprint. Step: identify your niche. This is the specific area you're passionate about and can create content around. It's crucial to choose a niche that resonates with you because your enthusiasm will shine through your content, and that's what attracts followers. Step 2, build a platform. In today's digital age, this often means creating a blog or a YouTube channel, or perhaps leveraging the power of social media platforms like TikTok. Remember, your platform is your stage. It's where you'll share valuable content and promote your chosen affiliate products. Step 3, join an affiliate marketing program. There are countless programs out there, so do your research and choose one that aligns with your niche and audience. These programs serve as the bridge between you and the companies you'll be promoting, providing you with the necessary affiliate links. Now let's talk about reaching out to potential business partners. This can be as simple as sending a well-crafted email to the company's affiliate marketing department. In your message, share a bit about yourself, your platform, and why you believe their product would be a good fit for your audience. Be professional, yet personable. Remember, you're not just promoting a product, you're building a relationship. Once you've followed these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming an affiliate marketer. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and a genuine desire to provide your audience with valuable content. These steps, you're now ready to venture into the affiliate marketing world. The next step, finding the right companies to partner with. Choosing the right companies to collaborate with is a cornerstone of your affiliate marketing success. That's a fact. So, let's delve into some of the big players in the game that offer affiliate marketing programs. First up, we have Amazon. Their massive inventory and customer trust make them a top choice. They offer a wide range of products, which means you can choose a niche that suits your next. We have eBay. With their affiliate program, you get paid for directing customers to their site, and they take care of the rest. Let's not forget about Shopify. If you have followers who are into online businesses, this could be a great fit. Looking at tech? Consider Microsoft. They have a fantastic affiliate program that covers their wide range of software and hardware products. For the fitness enthusiasts, there's Nike. Their global brand recognition and variety of products can make your affiliate marketing journey Then there's Etsy. If your audience loves unique handcrafted items, Etsy is the place to be. For the beauty buffs, Sephora offers a comprehensive affiliate program. Their wide range of beauty and skincare products can be a gold mine. Moving on, we have AliExpress. With their global reach and diverse product categories, you can target a broad audience. Target, with its vast inventory, is another excellent option. Lastly, there's Booking.com. If your followers are frequent travelers, this could be a great now. How do you approach these companies? It's actually quite simple. Most of them have a dedicated section on their website for affiliates. You'll need to apply, and once approved, you'll get access to their affiliate tools. Remember to read their terms and conditions thoroughly to ensure you're on the same page. Building a relationship with these companies is crucial. Keep in touch, ask for advice, and don't be afraid to negotiate for better terms once you've proven your worth. These companies provide excellent opportunities for affiliate marketing. But what if you want to take your business to the next level? Stay tuned as we explore high-ticket affiliate marketing in our next segment. Ever come across high-ticket affiliate marketing? This could be your secret weapon. You see, high-ticket affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services that have a high price tag, and consequently, a high commission. Imagine earning a significant chunk of change from just a single sale. That's the power of high-ticket affiliate marketing. Let's dive into some examples. Luxury products such as high-end watches, designer clothing, or expensive tech gadgets are prime candidates for high-ticket affiliate marketing. Why? Because these products often come with hefty price tags, meaning the commission you can earn from promoting them is considerably higher than lower-priced products. Another example is coaching or mentoring programs. These are often high-priced services, typically because of the immense value they provide. If you can successfully promote a high-ticket coaching program to your audience, and they make a purchase, you can earn a hefty commission. Now, how do you close deals with these high-ticket affiliate partners? The key here is to build a relationship with them. Reach out, express your interest in their products or services, and explain how you believe your audience would benefit from them. Show them that you understand their brand and their market. But remember, every successful affiliate marketer knows that it's not just about selling. It's about providing value. So when you're promoting these high-ticket products or services, make sure you're also educating your audience about them. Explain why these products or services are worth their high price tag. Share reviews, testimonials, or personal experiences if you can. And always, make sure the products or services you're promoting align with your own brand and audience. If you're a tech influencer, it makes sense to promote high-end gadgets. If you're a lifestyle influencer, luxury fashion or high-end beauty products might be more fitting. Ticket products can significantly boost your earnings, but how do you promote these products? Well, stay tuned because we'll be diving into that in the next scene. Effective promotion of your affiliate links is a critical factor in your success. Now let's delve into the exciting world of promotion strategies. Imagine you're a content creator on TikTok or YouTube. These platforms are fantastic for promotion because they allow you to share engaging content with your followers. A good strategy to promote your affiliate links is to create captivating content that motivates your followers to click on your links. For instance, let's say you're promoting a new fashion line. You could create a video showcasing the clothes, discussing their quality, and sharing your personal experiences with the brand. The key is to make the content as engaging and authentic as possible. Remember, people follow you because they trust your recommendations. They don't want to feel like they're watching a sales pitch. But don't limit yourself to just TikTok and YouTube. There are plenty of other platforms where you can promote your affiliate links. Instagram, with its focus on visual content, is perfect for showcasing products. Pinterest, on the other hand, is fantastic for creating mood boards that incorporate your affiliate products. And let's not forget about Facebook, where you can join groups related to your niche and share your links there. Content creation is a dynamic process. It's not just about creating one great post or video. It's about consistently delivering high-quality content that your followers will love. Each piece of content is a new opportunity to promote your affiliate links. And remember, it's not just about getting your followers to click on your links. It's about motivating them to make a purchase. This means you need to create content that not only showcases the products, but also highlights their benefits. And lastly, always remember to disclose your affiliate links to maintain trust and transparency with your followers. It's not just about following the rules. It's about building a relationship with your audience based on trust. Promoting your links effectively can significantly increase your earnings. But remember, trust and authenticity are key. So go ahead, create engaging content, promote your affiliate links, and watch your earnings grow. In the realm of affiliate marketing, consistency and authenticity are the keys to earning trust and fostering a community. Picture this. You stroll into a shop and the merchant, who you've never encountered before, begins to push a product onto you. You'd feel quite uneasy, wouldn't you? That's because trust has not yet been established. The same principle is valid in the digital world. As an affiliate marketer, you're the friendly merchant. Your audience requires trust in you before they adhere to your suggestions. So how does this trust develop? By being sincere and authentic. Disclose your individual experiences, your triumphs, and even your failures. Allow your audience to witness the real you. Bear in mind, individuals resonate with people, not merchandise. Consistency is also crucial. You can't just show up sporadically and anticipate your audience to engage with you. Consistency isn't solely about frequent posting, albeit that's significant. It entails consistently providing beneficial content and consistently being present for your audience. Now let's delve into time commitment. What quantity of time should you designate to your affiliate marketing venture? Well, there's no universal answer here. It is contingent on your objectives, your audience, and your content strategy. Nevertheless, a good starting point would be roughly 20 hours a week. This time ought to be allocated to crafting quality content, interacting with your audience, and exploring new affiliate prospects. Productivity is paramount here. Ensure you're making efficient use of your time. Utilize tools to schedule your content ahead of time. Designate distinct times for audience engagement. Maintain order and do not allow diversions to derail you. Remember, the objective isn't merely to vend products. It's to cultivate a community of faithful followers who have faith in your recommendations. This trust is laboriously earned and effortlessly squandered, so remain genuine, remain consistent. With consistency and authenticity, you can construct a thriving affiliate marketing business. But there's one more factor you should contemplate: personal product tryouts. Want to skyrocket your affiliate marketing triumphs? Think about personal product tryouts. The idea behind this is simple. You test the products or services you're promoting to get a deeper understanding that comes only from personal experience. This approach gives you an authentic voice when you're recommending these items to your followers. Let's delve deeper. When you personally test a product, you're not just becoming more acquainted with it. You're gaining firsthand experience of its strengths and weaknesses. This enables you to give an honest, balanced review when sharing it with your audience. There's no substitute for the credibility that comes with speaking from experience. The more credible you are, the more your audience trusts you. And the more they trust you, the more likely they are to click on your affiliate links. It's important to note that we're not talking about a quick, surface-level product trial. We're talking about immersing yourself in the product, using it, testing it, understanding it. This profound understanding allows you to answer any questions your followers might have. It also empowers you to highlight the features that you believe will resonate most with your audience. An added bonus of personal product tryouts is content. You can share your experiences, thoughts, reviews. This content is precious because it's not just promotional, it's informational. And informative content is what keeps your followers coming back for more. Integrity is key though. If you didn't enjoy using a product, it's better to say so. In fact, it's more beneficial to be truthful rather than misleading your followers for the sake of a sale. This will only damage your credibility in the long run. So are you ready to give personal product tryouts a shot? Remember, it's not just about increasing your income. It's about nurturing trust with your audience, offering them valuable content, and enhancing your own knowledge of the products you're promoting. With personal product tryouts, you can provide sincere recommendations and boost your earnings. It's time to act. Armed with all the tools and knowledge, it's your turn to make a move. The affiliate marketing sphere is teeming with chances that are just one step away from you. This is your golden opportunity to kick off a business without any financial burden, only your charm and the confidence you've earned from your followers. Envision the possibility of impressive earnings as you team up with major enterprises and endorse high-end products. Visualize the community you could form, the lives you could change, all while achieving financial independence. And icing on the cake? All of this is achievable with the diligence, persistency, and genuine nature that you, yes you, bring to the forefront. So what's holding you back? Embark on your affiliate marketing adventure today. Reach out to potential collaborators, craft captivating content, and push those affiliate links. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and activate notifications for more strategies and techniques on affiliate marketing. Your path to financial liberty begins now. Before we conclude, Remember to hit the subscribe button for more enlightening videos like this one. A subscriber will ensure you're always updated with our latest content. Strive to cover a wide range of topics that can help you grow your online business and make the most of affiliate marketing opportunities. Support by subscribing and engaging with our content helps us create more high-quality, free content for everyone. Why not become part of our growing community? That subscribe button today and join us in the pursuit of financial freedom and success in the world of affiliate marketing. Hold on, we're not done yet. Being part of our community is more than just subscribing. We place a high value on active participation. We encourage you to comment on our videos, ask questions, and share your experiences. This not only helps you get the most out of our content, but it also creates a rich, interactive learning environment for everyone. Remember, knowledge is power, but shared knowledge is even more powerful. So, don't hesitate to engage. Let's help each other grow and succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Leave your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments section below. We're excited to hear from you and look forward to creating a vibrant, supportive, and knowledgeable community together.